Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Hampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 BMW 340i xDrive. This 340i is showing just over 4,300 original miles, and if you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included Carfax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to the vehicle's remaining tire and brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll take you on a quick condition overview on both the interior and the exterior, as well as showing you some of its most notable features. Starting here in the exterior, looking at this white paint, especially looking at the direct sunlight, you could see few if any imperfections anywhere in this paint. It looks phenomenal, as you would expect with a vehicle of this mileage. But of course, as always, I'll take you real close to the panel down the driver's side, looking for any body imperfections like dings or dents, but you will find none. This vehicle is in absolutely perfect condition. Really does look like it's still sitting in the showroom as I look at it here. Looking at these beautiful 18-inch split 5-spoke wheels, they complement the styling beautifully, especially with that brushed aluminum outer face. And you can see wrapped in some really nice Continental tires and no curb rash on any corner of the vehicle. You can see those nice brake rotors just behind the wheel there. It all looks stunning. Now looking here at the front fascia, you'll find those headlight lenses to be beautiful, crystal clear, as you would expect for a vehicle so new. But it really promotes a very clean look up here at the front. You can see all of the chrome trim is free of any water spots or discoloration, and that carries over to the window surrounds here on the driver's side. It's no different. It all looks excellent. Now looking at the passenger side, gonna find another wheel in beautiful condition here at the front. And keeping you real close to the paint, now you can even look at that direct sunlight. You can just see how nice this paint finish is. And another wheel here at the back, also looking beautiful. Another look at that chrome trim surrounding the windows. And as you can see here at the rear, taillight lenses look beautiful, all of the badging is perfect. And that really nice chrome accent on the bottom of the bumper matches well with those dual exhaust tips. Not even seeing any discoloration from the exhaust gases. It really looks phenomenal here at the back. Next up, let's make our way to the interior, where you're going to find a beautiful arrangement of black leather with a lot of white contrast to match the exterior, as you can see with that piping and stitching throughout the seat. You can see the bolsters are in stunning condition. And that same trend carries over here to the passenger side. It looks amazing. So as I climb inside, I'm going to fire up the engine here. Of course, one touch of the start button, key is in my pocket. You see no strange warnings in the gauge cluster, just the seatbelt light there. Idling smoothly. See here the infotainment system is fired up exactly as designed. You can see nice high-resolution backup camera. You can see your map as well. This is fitted with navigation and a very nice infotainment system. It's very crisp and quick to respond. They've really dialed in this infotainment system over the years as they've developed iDrive, and it works very smooth, very much a pleasure to use. But as we look a bit further down here in the center control area, you can see all of the buttons look to be in amazing condition, not seeing any kind of wear on the text. All of the controls look perfect. You can see your heated seat controls. This vehicle is fitted with the cold weather package. That brings me to the steering wheel. It's got this beautiful leather wrapped grip around it. Feels amazing in the hand, a very sporty feel, and these nice paddle shifters that are very quick to respond with that ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, which is really an industry leader in the segment. It's a phenomenal transmission. This is also fitted with the heated steering wheel, as you can see via that button just there, and it does get very hot, just as do the seats. See all of the wooden trim throughout the interior, flanked by that beautiful stainless trim. All presents beautifully and has a nice bit of color, as you can see in the sunlight there, to contrast that white exterior. Of course, looking at the door cards, you're going to see that beautiful extended leather with the white contrasted stitching. Everything you touch in this vehicle feels amazing. You can see that really nice sunroof as well, letting in a lot of natural light or some natural air if you so choose. And of course, fitted with the Harman Kardon sound system. Of course, having a nice sound system really enhances the driving experience in all aspects, and this vehicle is no exception. Of course, lastly here on the front, you can see our nice little heads-up display just there, and that can also give you navigation directions and other pieces of vital information that are nice to be able to see just looking out your windshield. So next up, I'll make my way up to the engine bay, give you a quick look at the beautiful straight six. All right, so making our way under the hood, of course you can see those beautiful angel eyes in action. Some wonderful technology implemented into these headlights. But looking at that beautiful B58 straight six turbocharged motor, it's an absolutely stunning engine. This kind of took the mantle from the N55 motor as their high performance turbocharged six, and it really carried the torch beautifully. Sounds amazing. Really love the way this engine pulls too. Lots of high torque down low, which is really useful in everyday situations, but you can still get up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway. So it really is the best of both worlds. We've seen really good information about the reliability of this power plant thus far. There's a lot of nice technology. As you can see, the engine bay is just super clean. You can see all of the paint surfaces are stunning. All of the bolts look brand new. No signs of any corrosion anywhere to be found. Even looking a bit deeper into the engine bay, it looks very clean. It's idling very happily. It's just a wonderful power plant. Really was impressed by the sound more than anything up front. It really sounds incredible. Making our way to the rear seating area though, you're gonna find same condition as the front. The rear seats are in beautiful shape. All of the stitching is just the same, and it's very comfortable as well. You have this nice drop-down armrest here for your rear passengers, and it does have a couple of cup holders that can pop out just like that. If I make my way into the seat, being 6'4", sitting just behind where I was up here in the front, I still have knee room. I'm still very comfortable. My head's not hitting the ceiling. So it's a really nice, pleasurable place to be for even a taller rear passenger. So this vehicle can, of course, accommodate 4 full-size adults without an issue. See there, nice climate control vents for your rear passengers, and a nice view of that stunning sunroof. Nice leather wrapped armrest for your front occupants as well, and a nice final view of that front cockpit. Really well designed interior. See the tweeter speakers just there, individual for the rear doors. And lastly, we'll make our way into the trunk. One touch operation opens up that tailgate, as you can see here. Really nice and spacious trunk. All of the carpeting is in wonderful shape. You can see the nice OEM floor mats just here, and the rear floor mats are fitted in the vehicle at the moment. See nice little storage containers there. And those seats do fold down in a 60-40 split. So as you can see, this beautiful 340i xDrive has a lot to offer. It's a really stunning vehicle. Amazing performance with over 300 horsepower and lots of torque down low, but still efficient and comfortable. It's a really nice do-it-all vehicle, especially considering that all-wheel drive as we head into winter. So if you have any further questions related to this 340i xDrive, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There we'll be happy to answer any of your questions, and you will find all of the relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you from AlphaCars.